In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a sprint in Jira for the year 2025. Whether you're a project manager or a member working within a development team, there may come a time when you need to reopen a sprint. Perhaps you need to revisit tasks that weren't completed or correct an oversight. Whatever the reason, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to easily reopen a sprint using Jira. Let's start by navigating to your project within Jira. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Jira account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, locate your project from the list of available projects. With your project open, direct your attention to the top bar of your project interface where you'll find various options. Here, you're going to select Reports. This section is where you'll find multiple reporting tools that can provide insights into your project's current and past progress. Now, your report selection will depend on how your project is managed. For company managed projects, you should select the Sprint Report. This report provides a comprehensive overview of the sprint's details. On the other hand, if you are dealing with a team managed project, you'll have the option to choose between the Burn Up Report and the Sprint Burn Down Chart. Each of these will give you different perspectives and data on how the sprints performed. After selecting the appropriate report for your project type, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to decide which closed sprint you want to focus on. This is where you'll select the sprint you intend to reopen. Look for the small three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis button, on the right hand side of your screen. This button usually contains additional options and is your gateway to reopening your sprint. By clicking on these three dots, a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, simply select the Reopen Sprint option. Once you have done this, Jira will present a confirmation dialog box. This dialog will show you the issues and tasks that will be moved back into the sprint upon reopening. It's a good chance to take a moment to review these details and ensure everything looks right. Finally, to confirm your decision, click the Reopen button in this dialog box. This action will officially reopen the sprint and reinstitute any unfinished work back into it. And just like that, your sprint is open once again, ready for you and your team to continue tackling the tasks at hand. That's the straightforward process to reopen a sprint in Jira. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and adjust your project timelines as needed, keeping your team aligned and on track for success. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials.